Hello everyone, Funster Toys here. Who wants to play today? Do you want to play today? Me too! Let's go! Today we're going to open and play with Barbie. Barbie has Barbie Bubble Solution. I can't wait to try this. She's so pretty. She's got glitters in her bathing suit. And we're going to open a Kinder Surprise. This should be a lot of fun. Okay, let's not wait. Let's open it. Ooh, this one is a decoration. You can hang it. Okay. Oh, yummy chocolate. And there's our surprise. Oh, get to put this one together. There's the instructions. Oh, look it. It's an ornament. And there's our parts. There's some material. And I guess this is the base. And there's the top. Now it looks like I put the material around the base to make his coat. And then I pop the top on. Look at that. Now this is where I put the string through. And there is our ornament. Isn't he cute? Now that we've made our ornament, let's open Barbie with Barbie Bubble Solution. Her tail attaches. And that makes the bubble wand. Okay, so let's open this package up. Very pretty. I like the way her bathing suit glitters. There's a brush. Here's the bubble solution. There it is. Don't want to harm Barbie's hair. It's so pretty. Oh, hope I'm not pulling your hair, Barbie. No, it's fine. Oh, I'm so excited, and it seems like the more excited I am, the harder it is to get into these packages. Sorry, Barbie. Oh, really sorry, Barbie. And there's her tail. Here's the instructions. We'll look at that in a moment. Oh, I'm sorry, Barbie. I messed up your hair. I guess I need to use your brush and brush your hair out. Oh, that's looking much better already. Thank you for brushing my hair. Feels good to be out of the package and have my hair brushed. You're so pretty, Barbie. And here's your tray for the bubbles. It has your name on it, Barbie, right there. Yes, it does. And your tail, it looks like a heart. And that's the bubble wand. I guess because I love bubbles. I do too. Well, Barbie, we both like bubbles. Now we'll look at the instructions. Okay, Barbie, let's put your tail on. Oh, that was easy. Isn't that pretty? Your tail flutters, Barbie. Now take your hair. There's a hair in the bubble tray. And then I take the Barbie bubble solution and I put some in the tray. There's your hairbrush. And our ornament can sit at the back and watch as well. Are you ready to do your bubbles, Barbie? Thank you. Let's play. I think that means you're excited for your bubbles too, Barbie. Yes, I am. And then, oh my goodness, look at all the bubbles. Isn't that fun? Well, Barbie, you make beautiful bubbles, Barbie. Oh, and so many bubbles, Barbie. I love your necklace and your sparkly bathing suit. And you have jewels down your tail there. And in your flutter tail. Okay, one more. Well, that's fun. Maybe we'll just do one more, Barbie. I'm having so much fun with the bubbles. Me too. Well, there. I hope, Barbie, that that's been as much fun for you as it was for me. I think I have to say thank you to everyone for coming today. And I look forward to seeing you next time here on Funster Toys. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have more videos for you to watch on my YouTube channel. I hope you'll subscribe so you make sure that you see them all. Thank you for coming today. Well, and we'll see you again next time on Funster Toys.